plan actually for mina ngize ngibe ngithi okay now ngifocus kakhulu ku business ngithi mina angibize ngitshela abazali bami ngithi no because they were worried nabo ukuthi ayibo phela wena ukukhumbula ukuthi you studied acting and yathi nje yonke ungakhohlwa lokho ukuthi uyi-artist ngibatshele ngithi no the plan for me angifuni ukuba i-artist elambile because that's the thing njengamanje ama-artist alambile they don't have plan they don't have plan B so mina ngifuna ukuthi ngilibhide le business libe likhulu libe ngalendlela lengifisa ngayo noma ngabe kuthiwa akusabanga ukuthi kukhulu kakhulu kodwa as long as ngazi ukuthi I have a place of my own and I have ama employees wami and then bese kuba ukuthi ke mase nginesikhathi sengazi ukuthi akukho okungibambile kakhulu then I could go into more lokhuzana yami career yami with not worrying about ukuthi okay manje ngiyama auditions eGoli or eCape Town anginangisho imali lokugibela now I know ukuthi I can actually book my flight to eGoli kukhona manje ngakakhona okuningi okwenza in my business but if I could get a call njengamanje ukuthi we have a role for you or we have an audition I know I can book a flight to go there because kube ngisasekhaya angigoqa izandla ngabe ngisengidepressed ke manje ukuthi there's a potential role and then I don't have money to go there you know so into kanjalo engenza ngipush ukuthi ngino I have to push indaba yebusiness khona ngizokhuleka
dreams yeah I got dreams yeah I got dreams yeah I got dreams let me do me now let me do me let me do me now let me do me I got dreams yeah I got big dreams I don't sleep cause nothing really comes cheap I be at the studio all day putting in the work done always never sleeping on myself done no ways giving in my all done a showcase I got dreams for my baby yeah I got dreams for my daughter so give her what she needs in this world yeah so give her what she needs and support her cause see I got a dream I'm a man now but it's more than just a dream it's a plan now where you can put in that thing gonna try more until you find the dream you can strive for or even die for dreams yeah I got dreams yeah I got dreams yeah I got dreams let me do me now
sanibona nibabukele emakhaya sengiphinde ngabuya futhi with another episode of Ina Upopile hleli nomkilwakazi nyanga ke uTzanibo mahlamba ahlala etsheni ngenxa yokuswela ithawula njengenjwayelo ngiyacela nje ukuthi siqale subscribe iqala yabo kuyona yonke into subscribe click notification button ukuze niqhubeke nje sinilethele icontent yabona nje evula umqondo big entertain at the same time today nginosisi wami la ulihle sokhuluma nje ngento eningi unjani
ngiyaphila njani
hayi ngiyaphila kuyintokozo nje ukuthi usivakashele sikwazi ukuthi sibe la le podcast yawe izandla idlula ikhanda
ngiyajabula nami ukuthi ningimemeli igama lami nguThembelihle ngiyithanda ukuthi ngibizwe igaba engaqanjwa ngalo qala ngaphandle ukuthi ngibizwe ngaleli engibizwa ngalo nomkopi igama lami nguThembelihle sibonga kwaka Shezi
ubani usigananda kambe
usigananda udlaba uchubelihle
hayi uyabona ukuthi hayi ngiyabazi phela ngiyabazi
asiyaziwa vele saziwe sabantu nje abadubile
hayi ngeke kuyintokozo nje kakhulu so ke manje ke nje for umuntu ke nje mhlawumbe ukubona for the first time ungathi ubani uThembelihle nje mangathiwa nje ukuyichaza nje
kuningi engayichaza ngakho kodwa I am just a woman in art, a woman in business. uThembelihle Shezi udabuka eMbumbulu ngokufunda wafunda la eThekwini eDUT graduated ngo-2021 and then in drama and production studies emva kalokho ke angase ngenxa yokuthi amathuba omsebenzi akavelanga and I started my journey in business ukupheka and then yeah okunye ke sisazoxoxa along the way.
Yeah ngiyabona ukuthi umuntu obusy.
Yeah.
Phela i-DUT vele i-DUT njengamanje ayibuya sengazuthi iyalida when it comes to ispace sedrama nje
Of course.
bantu sibabona ku TV wonke umuntu uthi DUT
Phuma khona sifunde nabo manje akusakholakala masibakhomba ukuthi lona bengifunda naye ngoba
awona phela nisho sizazonibona phela phana waphela ijeni njalo vele ijeni ngesomthetho izinto azithi abasikhathi zithi suke zenzela khona ukuthi uyithole ku space ngaphela leso bhile ongakusona ngaphela.
Yeah ayi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uNkulunkulu uyahlela kodwa siyajabula ukubona abanye bethu beqhubeka benza umsebenzi omuhle bephumelele.
Khona phela iyona phela into efunakala ngesomthetho ekugcineni sonke sofika kwampumelelo yabona sofika futhi ngendlela ezingafani
ezahlukahlukene
because ayifani futhi nale definition yethu ukuthi yini impumelelo ngesemthetho ihluke kakhulu yabo umunye angakutshela ukuthi uphumelele manje umunye ubona uphumelele manje umunye uphumelele uma ekwenye level so ke manje bekunjani ke nje mhlawumbe ukukhulela embumbulo ngoba ngifuna siqale nje sikhulume ngawe nje straight ngesomthetho uThembelihle.
Ngikhule embumbulo kwaMgugu la endaweni yasemakhaya impela ngekholakala kodwa bengilusa ngiyazi uma ngibuka ukuthi hayi qamba amanga ke lo bengilusa bengicupha umgogo nami besitshontsha izinkukhu zase endaweni yabuka amaqala yesingene izinkomo ensimini kube nje kodwa bengisamncane kakhulu lapho and then emva kwalokho ke abazali base basuka bazowakha boba uthuko bekusekhaya ikhulu la lihleli khona bese besuka ke bezowakha bobabili bakha ngapha endaweni esembombo nayo kodwa ethe ukuceza engasemcimbini yasefolweni.
Okay ngiyibona ifolweni
indawo ekuthiwa isePolas so ilapho ke esikhona manje la ngafike khona ngaqaqeka ke ngaba yi-teenager nami ke ngase ngayithola nami ukuthi okay yini engithandayo la ngiqale khona ke izinto eziningi with my interest of art and nje ngibe umntwana nje uthanda ukufunda uthanda nje incwadi kakhulu and little did I know ukuthi kahle lokho kungisaphi. Ngase ke ngathi mangenza grade 8 I think yes it was grade 8 la ngidiscover khona ukuthi I'm poet ngoba kuqale lapho kahle
ngeliqala ngakho ukubhala
ngiqala nakhona didn't know ukuthi I'm a poet mina ngathi mangifika grade 8 ngacela uthisha omkhulu lapha ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ngimotivate izingane la ekhaya ngicabanga ngiyafika ngithi grade 8 ngathi
now usadinga ukumotivate
ngathi ngicela ukumotivate izingane la ekhaya njalo mengabe iqala kusemthandazweni ngicela kuma phambi kwezingane ngikhulume nazo ngiloke ngineza slots I was given the slot to do so and then kwaba khona umunye uthisha wathi ayi cha lento yakaksikona motivate you're not a motivational speaker you are a poet and then I didn't even understand the term yokuthi
abengadumile phela imbonga lesi sikhathi besazomzwa ke embuli
yabona so ngase ngaqala lapho ukwazi ukuthi lento engiyenzayo i-poetry and then ngaqale ke nami bangifundisa ukuthi okay umele uyidraft kanjani ukuze izwakale njenge-poetry because mina bengifika ngaphambi kwengane ngikhulume yonke into esenhlizweni yami now I have to ukuthi ngichanele kahle mengibhala phansi and then kwakhulu kwabo ukuthi ke kahle ngombhali ngiyaperform ngabe khona into eyenziwa esikoleni ngiyabizwa to announce izinto and then create ngaba nezinto esihlanganisayo esikoleni poetry club ngiya-acta ngapha ngabe umntwana very active nje in arts and nothisha asebemazi and then kwaba ukuthi ijeni yami sengiyazi ukuthi mengabe sikukhethwa lapha ka grade 10 khithi art mina yabo so nasekhaya kwangabona nje ukuthi bayathuka ukuthi hayibo sizokusiza ukuthi ukhethe into oyithandayo they already know ukuthi hayi umntwana wethu uthanda into kanje and then ke from there ke kwaba ukuthi I'm interested in drama and then after high school ngaba no 2 years nje ngawuhlala ekhaya enxa yokuthi ngingayitholi futhi nakhona indlela yokufunda because I didn't want anything else beside drama
Akuhlezi ushode.
Sure. And bengilong accept eyintweni ezahlukahlukene no journalism ngi-accept kwezinye izinto nje ezihlukile kulento lengifuna like no I'm specific and ngifuna ukwenza idrama at DUT because kana la nga-accept khona at UKZN but it's drama and music something like that like no ngifuna ese-Courtyard Theatre at DUT idrama because I've already like ngilandela abantu abafunde khona ukuthi
ayike plus i-top ngempela i-top lokho ngempela yabona iyabonakala manje ukuthi hayi i-vision banayo
kakhulu so after that ke kwabe sokuthi sengisevarsity ke the vision is more clear now with a lot of things
hayi ngoba phela kwakhona ke yabonga ngoba ngiyakuzwa ukuthi indlela oyichaza ngayo uyichaza ngokwasesikoleni so manje ngokwasekhaya ke khona ke ekhaya iyiphi mhlambe le influence ebekhona because phela ngiyakholelwa ekutheni into ogcina isi reflect esikoleni ngesomthetho uthola ukuthi into kodwa nasekhaya ekwazi ukuthi i-support kade ukhula nabazali benibangaki nje khona ekhaya
okay ekhaya ngingokuqala and then bese kuba insizwa ke ezingilandelayo ezu4 akikho influence ema siblings wami because bonke balandela mina but then ubaba wami umuntu obe khona impela ku space ese arts because ubecula isicathamia emkhulu futhi nasebholeni kodwa into ayishiya emncaneni ba kodwa isicathamia besaqhubeka naso ezakhule nje but ngeke ngazi ukuthi ke shuthi ngakuthatha lapho yini obuciko I think mhlambe ngisho ukuthi ngathatha lapho kodwa bengabhali inkondlo bekuthi nje unesicathamia sakhe
hayi ngoba phela vele i-art ngesomthetho iqala ukusinfluencer way before we even notice kwathina ngesomthetho ukuthi okay njengamanje siyas influence kwakhona vele ukubona umuntu okuspace because akwenzeki ukuthi uthole ukuthi umuntu ukwispace se-art engekho umuntu even nakwifemeli noma kwigazi uthola ukuthi uke wenza something vele ne-art phakathi so manje uma usulentozana ususe DUT noma nje asike siqale khona high school obani mhlawumbe bebe inspire ke kusona ke lesi space
saka poetry
yes asithi sakwa art nje uyaveza ukuthi vele ubusiwenza poetry actor
well mina ngathini umama ugcina mhlophe amamgcina mhlophe bengimlandela kakhulu nakunani ukuthi besifunda incwadi yakhe ebisenzandile ngangokuba esikoleni bekhona basebengibiza ngayo umgcina mhlophe siyagcina mhlophe it was one of my nicknames baningi nje umama uLebo Mashile nje ngingabala ekuzoshonelanga yabo
hayi ngoba phela khona vele kwi-space especially women yabona I feel like bayenze kakhulu i-impact yabo because yena uma mgcina mhlophe ke futhi ke ngisho ku storytelling ukhona yabo nje ubehlezi enza sure ngesomthetho ukuthi uyayisparka i-brain ukuthi ayingalali because phela thina ngeze siqamba manga i-environment esikhule kuyona ngesomthetho ibinakho ukucindezela lapha nalapha yabo abemaningi ama impossibilities then izinto othothi kuthiwa was possible ukuthi ungazenza isikhathi esiningi ukuthi uma wenza nje futhi into ehlukile because nakhona esikoleni I'm sure kwangelula wakhona ukuthi uye kwi-art because nama profession esasibekelwe wona wakwazi ukuthi wena ngathi makubona ngahlani phela ethiwa ngathi ungenza i-physics
I had that challenge nami mase kufele kukhethwe lapha khona uthisha ababengikhonzile go life science la kontontoni bathi hayibo ukephi hayibo uyenzani lapho wena
kancane phela lo mkhakha ke
uyenzani lapho wena kufanele ukuba lapho no it's what I love though I wish nami ngakhona idrama kube khona i-life science ngapha kube khona i-physics ngihlangane ndawo I can't unfortunately isikole sasingazumela ukuthi senze kanjalo kodwa ke ukuthi into engiyithandayo nasekhaya futhi bangivumela ukuthi ngenze into engiyithandayo angeke akekho uthisha kosezothi suka ke lapho ngoba nasekhaya bangivumela yabo
hayi ngoba phela abaningi abantu othotha amaphupho abo ngempela bagcine bengasazenza izinto abaphupha ngazo because ubuza ucategorize kuthiwa yilaba benza ngapha kuthiwa yilaba ngathi badonsa kancane yabo
okwanjalo ukuthi nineni lapha yasho ukuthi hayi ingqondo yenu hayi kubi
kanti bayayiweshipa futhi athi uma sebeyibone siyenziwa abantu abakhulu abaphezulu because yibo phela abantu othothi kumama egazini kodwa akekho umuntu ofuna futhi ukuthi uzame ukuthi ube yilowo muntu wena bafuna ukuthi nje kushuthi hlesi babukela kude ukuthi hey yobani baphumelela thina kungabi ngempela kuthina
ungabi kuthina usiyayifundela lento lena kanti it's very important as an artist to take the step of going to school for arts yabo.
Ya ngoba phela ufunda nalezi ikile encane othola ukuthi yabo ngibone thina sibuye sibambe nasemgwaqweni enye into yabona ukuthi ukhona la uyabo ibona ukuthi ayilana ikathi la niyadinga
ngathi dinga le skill ke lesike
sizokuncela nathi ugcine sesincela kubo labantu abayenzile ukuthi basikhombise ngoba phela ngempela
kuyadingalala even nanokuthi akukona nanokuthi dinga iphepha ukuze ukhombise ukuthi lento uyifundela sometimes okwesikoleni ngona kodwa uyifundela into it installs the discipline in you yabo uyemuntu oyifundelile into ayithandayo umbona ngendlela enza ngayo ukuthi akenzi noma kanjani you can't just say like an actor or vele nje wavundwa kathi I just want to be an actor and I can do it because I'm talented, I'm going to my auditions and do this and this. Akafani ne-actor ehambile 3 years or 4 years to varsity oyifundela with the passion ne-dedication yonke yokuyimela into ayenzayo because unezinto adlule kuzona as imqualifier more ukuthi ahlale kulento la ayenza. I'm not saying ukuthi there's anyone better kulabo bantu kodwa there's a different discipline in those two people yabo.
Ya ngoba phela isikhathi siyacounta phela isikhathi yiso phela ngesomthetho ama hours mawukuthi yiwo phela suke kumele afakwe sengamele uyimisele yabo uma ukuthi vele indawo iyela ngesikoleni kusuke kumele uzimisele like crazy funeka wazi ukuthi uzosebenza 3 times
more than that person
ukuze ukhave phela ngoba phela ayikho enye
indlela because lo muntu ufundiswa ukuthi how to read the script ukubamba ama lines in a day kwenziwa kanjani how to do 1 and 2 and 3 wena we struggle shisa ngisho director we struggling with you because
discover ngendlela ukuthi
kanjalo
akekho nona umuntu vele kwi-industry somthetho ofuna ukusebenza nabantu abazokwenza ukuthi ibe ngazuthi art yakhe umuntu iphansi sonke sifuna ukusebenza nabantu abazovela bayikhulisa iproduction
yabo
umuntu ozokwenza shona ukuthi ufaka 100% ngaphela.
Yes, because phela abo-director abazile ukuzofundisa if now they're creating a film or anything abazile ukuzokufundisa kuzosetshenzwa la if we're saying this is the call time and this is what you're doing and this and this when awukwazi ukuthi ke manje you're struggling with lines you're struggling with dialogue ethile because you're lacking we don't have that time yabo so kubalekile ngempela kubalekile
so manje kwi program ke le yase DUT mhlawumbe ungathi yini nje ongayi-highlighter as the most key components mhlawumbe nje enza ukuthi ngempela umuntu naye nosafuna mhlawumbe osafuna ukukhetha naye ukuthi i-different kanjani nalawa amanye amalotozana iy'kole lezi ey'suke ifundisa yona because i-secret ikhona siyabona ukuthi
well I wouldn't know about ezinye iy'kole sizinani ngoba ngizange ngize kuzona but mina la ngiye khona e-DUT ngathi nje lapha yana usuyazi into oyifunayo because ufuna uyazi the specific thing that you want to achieve because khona amalokhuzane ama-modules ahlukahlukene and omajarisha ngawo ahlukahlukene futhi there's script writing, there's dance, there's music and there is data education so like wena ukhethela ukuthi yini lena ofuna ukuba mandla kuyona obviously uze uzo-actor obviously uzofundela yonke lonto but yini lo ufuna ukuba mandla kuyona and stick to it ubambelele kuyona wenze sure ukuthi uyaphela lo 3 years lo obekele wona usukhona into obambelele kuyona ophuma nayo and if ufika uzazi ukuthi you talented and usuyangena kuma spaces where you're acting lapha stage don't be overwhelmed by the energy by the noise or by ilokhuzane ukupraise ukuthi you good at this and this and this because uyalahleka makunjalo you have to ube ne discipline ukuthi lana ngizofunda yabo ungathi ukuthi wena ngoba nakhe high school noma ngakini kazi ukuthi uya actor usufika lapha yana bese ubayithola lokho ukuthi uya actor open the space to learn ufunde nakwabanye futhi and just be humble yabo.
Hayi ngoba phela maningi nana nezinto ezenziwayo kahle lomkhakha abantu abaningi bayitshela ukuthi uma ukuthi wenza into ene drama and production usuke nje
act yes you find ukuthi most of the people and sibabona manje who come from a DUT isibona kuphela abanye abantu ababona nje ukuthi baphumelele because babese DUT babefunda. Then there are those who are behind the scenes abafunda DUT who are directors, who are writers, who are the storyliners. Nabo they are as equally have achieved, just like Labes Babon. It's just better.
And they make a lot of money.
Lot of money. And abanye abantu abazi ngithi, abantu abazi kodwa njengoba ngisho ukuthi lo mkhakha lo suke specific ukona hlala ke kuona ke so that uzokusebenzela mama uphuma. Njengaloba abanye bengabe behlala ekutheni bafuna uku-actor. Maybe uphuma ke do that they push leyo nto lokuthi sifuna uact yabo.
Ngoba phela it's not everyone who can be a superstar kahle ukuthi kumele azahlezi phambi kwabantu lapha. Sometimes uyadinga ukuthi ube at the back and make sure ukuthi abanye abantu bayashayina ngempela because I production wonke umuntu uyabenefita kwi production.
Yes. And you are actually a star with whatever that you're doing, even if akubonakali. You are a star. You are a star with your writing, you are a star with your directing, you are a star with whatever okwenza behind the scenes. Star is not someone who's obonakala ukuthi nangu uyashine. You are a star whatever that you're doing, you are.
Hayi ngoba phela that's true vele. So ke manje yini ke manje ekuventurisha ke into business ngoba phela ngiyabona ukuthi uwenza into ene art nje waqhubeka nayo. Then what was the reason ukuthi manje yakwenza ukuthi ubone ukuthi yazini manje I need to like go into business and especially ugcine selling ngani udayisa inyama.
Dayisa ukudla.
Angani yabo udayisa ukudla, so it's not something ongathi it's very different yabo from what you did in school.
Well, uNkulunkulu uhlala ngokwakhe, siyahlela nathi ngokwethu kodwa uNkulunkulu uhlala ngokwakhe. Well, into eyenza ukuthi ngize ngifike kumkhakha webusiness ngithe mangigraduate ke eDUT kwase ukuthi sigraduate thina kune COVID.
2020.
Bekune COVID ngakuba azange sizisole ngisho ithuba lokuthi selapha yana siyofaka ijazi.
No, na graduate online.
Still I haven't recovered from that pain. So ngisafuna ngesikole nje ngifuna ukugqoka ijazi bese ngibuyela leya moment for me and my parents Nkosiyami.
Plus it's a nice moment.
It's a nice moment. I really need it. I'm planning to go back to school to study anything relating to things in our manje. But then ikaqala lapha ekuthenini ngathi mengifuna umsebenzi after graduating awukho kuvaliwe ithaqha nje, and then I had to try and make an income endlini because now I understand ukuthi I'm the first child to ever graduate and ngingoqala lekhaya. Abazali already bathemba ukuthi how sesinomntana graduate lekhaya things will be better. And now ayikho into eyenzakala because lo mntana ula uhleli nathi yabo. It was so painful, so I had to find a way. Anginawo ngisho imali yokungena kuma emails that point. It was hectic. It was hectic. So I started nje with an idea ukuthi okay, for me ukuthi ngikwazi uba ne-DUT, let me start and just buy popcorn. Nakhona lo mali ngangade ngithole kanjani. It was my birthday and I don't remember ukuthi ubani emndenini who gave me 50 rand, but someone, I don't know if khona nje owangipha 50 rand kade ngizalwa, and then I was able to buy ngikala popcorn and a popcorn I meant saying it's popcorn. And then ngathola no plastic ngenza ke and then ngaqala kanjalo, and then emva kwalokho babukhona wami wangizalela imali ukuthi ngithenga amanqina, from amanqina ngenza amagwinya hawo ngaloke nje kunyuka so ukuthi nje kuyazona nje ukuthi ayibo ulihle lapha ana udayisa in. But at the same time it was not something nice kubazali bami, especially my mom, because she didn't find it nice ukuthi ayibo graduate wena manje uzodayisa amagwinya uzodayisa amagwinya manje, what's going on? But then she understood ukuthi no, I just need to have an income. But then ngilongenza lento lena I'm developing a passion yoqhubeka nebusiness
And you're
yabo.
also like learning manje
Learning ukuthi
mawudayisa profit kayiliwa kanjani.
Ngiyacabanga ngiyayithanda le as much as lento ngiyenzela ukuthi ngifuna ukuba kuhlazi nginemali ekhona ngibeka isinkwa la ngithenga utamatisi mekuthiwa kushodo inorox ngikwazi ukuyithenga, but now I feel like I'm enjoying this thing of cooking or creating something each and every day, because ngabe ngidayisa amagwinya nama meat ngifake chicken mayo yenza izinto ezihlukile endaweni.
We experiment nje kahle.
You know,
uyakhombisa ukuthi manje the new mind is here.
It's here. Next thing I was able ukuthi ngilokhoze ngenze imali ezoba enough for me to ukuthi ngirent. Ngonyaka olandelayo ngeza eTown, which was 2021 I think.
Yeah, 2021.
Yeah, yes, ngase ngakwazi ukuthi ngize eTown ngirent ngalo mali ade ngenze ekhaya to rent like 3 months or 2. And then kwaba ukuthi ke manje I'm trying to find myself in business. I was able to get abanye abantu a company ene equipment yokupheka. And then I collaborated nayo kwaba ukuthi we having this partnership. Then ke lapho ngaba umuntu because they gave me an opportunity to use equipment yabo, and then bese ngiyapheka, and then bese bakhona low percent abatholayo from what I was doing. And nakhona nabo, I think those people ababenginikeza that opportunity, they didn't think ukuthi it could be that big. They just thought this girl want to cook and want to use equipment this nayo, and that's it. It's not gonna be something big. And then mina, because ngikade ngiku-arts and also ngikade ngenze poetry, and I have something sort of a fan base nyana enginayo. Then I took it to my socials. I was like, guys, I have this cooking business thingy, like ngiyapheka la eTown, ngicela nifike ngizokusupport. It went like big. People came through. People came through, they took pictures, and then umuntu mefika afika shoot bese I posted, and then nabanye bahalile ukufika nje, people like abangisupportile from my poetry industry, drama la ngifunda khona ngasekhaya, nje nabanye bese ngibazi nje in live, kufika nje kwaba into ethanda ukuba kulu ke manje. And then the people that angipartnerishe nabo, and they were not happy with that. Yeah, since this ngazazi manje. So kwaba ukuthi ke manje they're struggling with that, and then we had ungabonisani kahle, because they wanted more than what they requested ngisaqala. And then I had to quit because I was not happy with a lot of things, and babe sebengicindezela ngendlela eningi. I had to quit there and then start something of my own. That's where that Joy-arta was born, that Joy-arta by Madlaba, which is my business ke ethi mina ke lengapartnership namuntu. I started from scratch. Manje I started with my platters, and then until it was like a long year of hustling again the following year, until ngithole ke indawo ke this year at Brea Center. La khona ke ngavula futhi business to sell food again, which was a struggle nakhona ukuthi ngize ngifike lapho.
Does it clearly kuyinkinga when you are trying to go on your own? Yeah, especially more what, because vele I feel like ngathi sonke when you start a business siqala khona sincikile kubantu until you realize ukuthi because as a vision uma ingafani
you know the vision was not on the same okangempela, and I had to ukuthi ngiqale on my
ngoba bayashintsha abantu kubona ukuthi even ngisho emalokishini umuntu ungafeni vumelana nerent ka 2000, kodwa wathi uyaqhamuka nje wabona uline usungaka sefuna ukuyinyisa i10 uyabona. Same time futhi wena uma ungakwenzi lokho uzokwenza sure ukuthi uyasabotage ngaphela futhi ibusiness
ngaze yonke indlela. Yes, it happened ke ukuthi ngigcine sengilapha nakhona futhi I had so many challenges engibe nawo until izinto zadukuvala lapho, and now I'm trying to have something engathini like I'm trying to have ikhishi lami ke ngizozakhela mina ngokwami kungabi indawo that I'm renting. So that's the process engikuyona njengamanje.
Phela uma suwenze lokho kahle uzobusuqedile. That's the dream kahle yathi icompany kuthiwa vele you can't build your dream on someone else's property.
Exactly. Because umuntu yasabotaja yo.
Abathandi phela uma uphakama futhi abanye abantu because manje umuntu uvela abona ithi mayisephakama kushuthi sezoba inkinga manje yabo kanti it's not the case ngesomthetho uthothi wena uyifocusele on you like
on
succeeding yabo because phela that's why uthothi abanye abantu they succeed abanye they don't abanye ba focus kulabo abasucceedayo while abanye be focus ekusucceed
yabona
and maningi ngempela ama challenges yabona futhi ke in business
yo mina ngize ngifile ngathi abaye ngimdala ke manje hayi ngeke yo lezi zonke lezi zinto zingenza ngifile ngathi ngimdala. There's just a lot of things and ngazi ukuthi if it wasn't for God and each and every time mengebe nama challenges in business engiba nawo I realize ukuthi journey yami kahle ibekelwe la yabo because kuningi ngathini like ngifuna ngabe kade ngayekelela ngifuna ngabe kade if I could ngikulistele zonke izinto ezenzakalile in my journey ke especially kulonyaka a lot of izinto eziningi ezibhlungu ezenzakalile afuna ngabe nje ngasi mangisi ngiyafona ekhaya kathiwa sisibuya uhlale phansi uzobuya ubone ngeke ngiyakwazi ukuzombela into engaka
ake mama uzophinda ubone uzobonela
ba what am I going to do? And angikwazi ukuphindela emuva sengihambe kangaka. Shuthi bengenzani sonke lesikhathi if I were to give up now. It's a waste of time.
Hayi plus ngeke vele phela kuthiwa if you do first 5 years hayi so kusungakwazi because yiwo vele obekwayo.
Usho ukuthi in the next 5 years bese ngimele
in the next 5 years kuzobe kuphela kusuke kusasetshenzwa yabo nami phela this is my 5th year nami in business yabo I was ngake this is 6th yeah this is my 6th year
in business but uyabona manje ukuthi
khona ukuthi phela ibusiness ngesomthetho you get to realize ukuthi it's about journey kahle
it's about the journey yes
ayikho destination yabo i-destination abantu abayibekile nje ukuthi yabo nalokho yeah you are only leveling up nakhona masuna ama millions ufuna amabhillion ngiyafana and uzobunga feel futhi sengazuthi usucceedile ngesomthetho because vele it's journey kahle kahle mina ngihlezi i-success it's journey it's not a destination ukuthi most people they think ukuthi it's a destination that's why uthi umuntu uzowa anga understand ukuthi aka solve ama problems
yes
we are solving problems ekugcineni lana kwe business
asikhali manje asikhala sinasikhathi sasukhala ukhala ziyakhona
ngoba nakho ukudayisa izinto eziningi futhi kuyasiza uyabona nje mina even nawana popcorn I've sold popcorn kwamina ngudayisa ke mina esikoleni ke yabo ngudayisa esikoleni egatini yabo
yo
engade futhi ngifunda khona
cabanga
and umuntu kuninga yekufunda because you learn to write ezenye izinto you learn to calculate ubuyele because i-business ngesomthetho it's all about understanding ama laws of business
yes
ayikho ngalezi zinto eziningi thina sihle sitshela ukuthi lingale business because uma understand ama laws you gonna win ngisho ngathi unama bad intentions nama good intentions akusebenzi lokho
into uma understand nje your countings nje and the principles ukuthi okay I can't waste this money le mali enganayo njengamanje be disciplined enough to know ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuyisebenzisa ukwazi ukuthi umuntu afike kwena athi angiboleka imali engaka uthi awunayo ukwazi kahle ukuthi unayo but uyazi ukuthi akusiyone yakho reason why uthi awunayo ngoba akusiyone yakhe business uyazi wena ukuthi njengoba ihleli kanjena nje izokusiza kuphi yabo
and yenye into that you struggle ke soma business because osoma business baningi thothi umuntu usiye withdraw kwimali ye business eyithethe yakhe kanti phela ibusiness ekwelakho kodwa imali yalwa egcine nawe kumele likuholele just like everyone
yabo njengoba nami benginenkinga ukuthi I decided ukuthi ngingatholi umuntu ozongisiza kwamanje mhlambe like abantu abazongisebenzela because bengibona ukuthi okay as much as kunzima ukusebenza ngingedwa like I have a lot of things engimele ngize bengifixeni I cook this and this and this and this by the time ngivula nje ngikhathele and there's a lot of work futhi engakawenzi kodwa because angisisamele ngibe ne comfortable space ukuthi manje umuntu ozongisiza melazi ukuthi asikakabi nemali engaka yabo manje uzongineza imali engaka mina ngakayiholeli nokuyiholela angakakwazi ukuthi ngithi okay now there is that few thousands for myself ukuthi siphele inyanga
sometimes you end up not getting paid kahle kahle
ayibo
phela inyanga awunayo wena
as long as ngazi ukuthi okay I have ama cosmetics and then I have data I have this and that as long as ngikwazi ukuthi okay izinto ezibalekile kumina nginazo kodwa ukuthi ngibe nemali ukuthi ngiya shopping because I have business oh no man
I this phela sesibabonile nabenza njalo because bakhona abanye in business nathi besiqale nabo bayenze ngathi ukhazi lete business always abasekho manje yabona manje abaningi ama business abo kade
yeah bad you choose things you choose the environment where you need to look like a businesswoman or a businessman you can't just say just because you're a business wena ufuna uhlaza nje ubukeka nje umuhle all the time no you choose those environment wazathi siyabo la ngiyakhona I have to look good I have to look representable as a businesswoman kodwa mina mawuhlangana nami Bria ngikobila ngisebenzela ngakhona ungibona ngicole flower ngicole ini angikubona ukubona futhi ukuthi ngibona sengisahawu kodwa umana tengibingelela angiboni lutho ngiphuthuma nje ukuthenga lwa flower shodayo lapha endlini ngiyopheka ujeq ngiphuthuma ukuyothenga la nyama isiphelile manje khona abantu abazofika bezolanda ukudla kwabo I don't have time to look so good but mengabe nginesikhathi ngikhona la ngibele ngiyekhona I prepare myself to look good yeah
ngoba phela vele kumele uhlezi understand ispace okusona because abantu vele they always gonna treat you ngalendlela nawe oyitreata ngayo
ngosomthetho yabo
wena osethela ipace ukuthi okay because nathi ibusiness sasikhona la sike sane cut khona la sifuna ukugcwalisela khona because sometimes thoto okunye usuflophiswa yilokho ukuthi ufuna ukugcwalisela ubani othi phela babone ukuthi nje wenza ibusiness ikhona imali ebusiness kanti it's not the case yabo business vele imali elinayo once you understand yonke into that has to do with it wakwazi ukutracker yonke into wakwazi to even include other people kuyona because that's why ubona ngathi umlungu bavula ibusiness namhlanje kusasa selilikhulu ngalendlela and thina you have to learn a lot of things before uze ufike ngempela at the top
yeah I have to and ube ne strategy ke as well ube ne strategy because mina into ngisize kakhulu ukuthi I went to school so into engiyenzayo manje ayihlangene nento engifundele yes but kungisize kakhulu because I don't have just akukona ukuthi have a kitchen njengabanye abantu abaningi abanama kitchen agcwele ithebula no mina eyami it's a initiative it's a program we project kuyinto a brand it's an entire brand ezinqoke nje something that has a brand so it's a brand engicreate a one day ezogcina sifana no KFC abagcwele
it's a franchise yonke
indawo so it's a dream ongakona nje ukuthi even mina mangabe ababefika nje kitchen the time ngisasebenza at a kitchen prayer center every day I'll have my uniform every day I respect my job this is a job I wake up in the morning and go to work ngiyosebenza mina yes I'm the boss or whatsoever but ngiqokile as ukuthi ngimsebenzini and I have to respect that I can't just wear pink and yellow ingobe yami summer dress because kuyashisa no I'm wearing uniform so and ngayithatha ngokuthi iyangisiza lonto ukuthi ngaye esikoleni ngoba manje I'm installing the skills I'm implementing all the skills engathola esikoleni ngibe nengqondo ethe ukuhluza then wonke ama business nje akhona and also the fact that like mina indaba yami yokupheka it's art which is why it said like that Joy-arta it's the Joy-arta and then added with a it's the joy that I feel when I cook and cooking is art
so very art
you know so I find myself in the environment of art spaces where abantu abakwi art being invited to cook for them and also deliver food when they rehearsing or mekhona ama events athile I find myself in those kind of gigs later into art because I'm an artist that cooks you know yeah
I plus ngoba phela vele you attract the energy that you give
exactly
yeah you attract and especially uma unama people skills because business event it's all about ama people skills
Yes,
ama numbers sesiwabona nje phela because uma usazodila vele nawo kodwa it's all about umuntu onama people skills ngampela it's easy for umuntu onjalo to maneuver vele around.
Of course kulula noma ijourney phela ibanzima kodwa if you know your people and uyazi into yenzayo.
So manje do you still like see yourself mhlambe ke going back nje kwi art space nje aggressive?
I am not moving away from art space. It's literally like on my next door. At Yami, it's not like something good day. No, it's here. It's here because even on Friday I'm performing, and on Saturday I'm performing poetry. Not like into good day. Ila. It's just that I just need to see ngisebenza kanzima ukuthi kuhlangane ndawonye kokubili. Kodwa one day I wish ukuthi ngingaba ne restaurant where mhlambe njalo ngama Fridays or weekends there's poetry sessions or there's music sessions, and then there are people eating my food ngaphaya. So it's not ukuthi into ehlukahlukene kumina kundawonye.
Yeah, plus the vibe nama will come to that restaurant.
You know?
Yeah, vibe phela ngoba iyo phela into differentiate abantu ngesomthetho. That's why uthi kunomuntu onetafula la workshop uzohlangana na 20 years usakulelo tafula workshop. Impilo imile ndawonye because it's easy now with business ukuthi uthi move ubunganyakazi kodwa because awunawo ama plans.
Yes. So for me it's not something that is just short sighted. It's just broad kakhulu ngifisa ukwenza izinto ezinkulu kakhulu and yeah
plus kungcono wona ngeke uze nakuona umsebenzi usafuna ukuthi ulambele kuwe especially because kwi-acting ungaduma kodwa uthola ukuthi imali ayikho yabo nje especially we've seen ama actors being used
and that's the plan actually for me nangize ngibe ngithi okay now ngifocusa kakhulu ku-business ngangithi mina angibize ngitshela abazali bami ngithi no because they were worried nabo ukuthi hayibo phela wena ukukhumbula ukuthi you studied acting and i-art nje yonke ungakhohlwa lokho ukuthi uyi-artist ngibatshele ngithi no the plan for me angifuna ukuba i-artist elambile because that's the thing njengamanje ama-artist alambile they don't have plan they don't have plan B so mina ngifuna ukuthi ngilibhidile business libe likhulu libe ngalendlela lengifisa ngayo noma ngabe kuthiwa akusabanga ukuthi kukhulu kakhulu kodwa as long as ngazi ukuthi I have a place of my own and I have ama employees wami and then bese kuba ukuthi ke mese nginesikhathi sengazi ukuthi akho okungimambile kakhulu then I could go into more lokhuzani yami career yami with not worrying about ukuthi okay manje ngiyama auditions eGoli or eCape Town angina ngisho imali lokugibela now I know ukuthi I can actually book my flights to eGoli kukhona manje ingakakhona okuningi okwenza in my business but if I could get a call njengamanje ukuthi we have a role for you or we have an audition I know I can book a flight to go there because kube ngisasekhaya angigoqa izandla ngabe ngisengidepressed ke manje ukuthi there's a potential role and then I don't have money to go there you know so into kanjalo engenza ngipush ukuthi ngino I have to push indaba yebusiness khona ngizokhuleka nami ukuthi okay noma bekuthiwa khona izinto engihambisana nazo industry but then kwabe abantu besifazane kakhulukazi izinto abangihambisana nazo gcina so exploit as an artist noma njengomuntu esifazane kuningi okwenzakalayo uthola ukuthi awuhambisani nakho kodwa uzovumelana nayo lo producer okukhuluma kanje nawe ngendlela ongayithandi noma ufuna ukugcina disadvantage ngawo uzovuma lokho because you don't have money you need money ekhaya badinga imali so ugcina usuvuma izinto ongayithandi but mina I know ukuthi at this point if angihambisana nento ethile if umuntu wesilisa noma umuntu nje ezokufuna advantage ngami I'm not desperate to stay I'm not that desperate to make ama decisions azongenza ngihlale entweni engayithandi I can just decline and say no because I have my business nginainto engizosurvive ngayo until I get a job ngidlela decent yabo
ayi ngoba phela even ngisho ama actors authority asebe kwi industry for 20 years amanye nawo siwadonatele imali manje umuntu umuntu waqala ukueka ama-80s
Yo, kunzima.
waqeda ama-80s umuntu ama-roles akasahlangani usekhulile sekumele sidonate
manje kurafu.
kanti bekumele phela kufundwe yabo it's a good thing esomthetho ukuthi uqhubeka ne-career yakho ubungena because uzothi ufika vele you are a business woman already yabo akusekhona ukuthi uzostrugglisha ngasomthetho into yakho usuzoyenza ngendlela oyithandayo uthatha ama-role owathandayo ungagcini uthatha i-role enye ngendlala ngoba phela ikhona i-role ukuthi
awuhambisani nayo kodwa because now you hungry izothini Nkosi yami.
and ngeke uzubukeka ayikho phela enye into because ufuna imali nawe
Yabo.
usuportray manje umuntu ozothi noma umbuka nawe ubone ukuthi ish lo muntu kahle hle bengamele ukuthi ubuso
It's
bami
really against ama-manners wami noma nendlela nje identity yami. No, that's really important. I think lento exciting with my journey business ukuthi kunzima yes but la sengiyakhona ngiyakubona ukuthi uzokhanya kangakanani and mase ngifikile lapho kuzobe sekulula for mina ukuthi ngibeke sengithatha inyawo zami ngiyoxazuza lapha kwa industry engangifundele with no worry yabo. So and futhi nabo ngicathi bayabona if bengeke bakwazi uku-explode ukuthi hayi let's check lona cha akana inkinga zemali kanti uma usafuna you are hungry for fame. Mina I'm all about ukuthi I'm hungry for art. I'm hungry to perform. Then I could get that role ngoba ngipassionate ngayo lento kodwa if you hungry for nje ukuthi ufuna fame futhi ufuna imali kulula
plus zokwenza into eziningi uma uzokwenzela ifame because phela ifame iyabagwinya abantu yabo. We've lost so many people to ifame yabo. Ifame it's not always glitter ngale ndlela abantu abayibeka ngayo ukuthi usukudumile waziwa abantu kodwa there is a lot of things that has to go behind doors kuyona yonke into because yababona ukuthi abanye you can get the fame kodwa uma ukuthi you didn't get understand impilo straight you're not gonna survive yabo. Kunalokho uzoba umuntu uyale ungazazi kwawena ukuthi where do you belong kahle and kuyinkinga ke to find yourself kube sekunabantu abaningi who think ukuthi they know ukuthi who you are awukwazi uku-experiment.
You can't
usakwazi inhlobo
usudoke kakhulu.
So ke manje ngoba ke phela le space ke nje ubusho nawe even kwayona ibusiness acting writing it requires a lot of focus ngesomthetho. It requires ukuthi uhlezi umuntu ngampela was like conscious ngale ndlela and i-consciousness we know ukuthi igcina isikufaka kakhulu entweni no depression and anxiety. So when you find yourself in that space how do you like make sure ukuthi uyaphuma kusona and continue yabo with your journey?
Sure, I love that question because I experienced depression and anxiety too, especially in 2020 till now because I don't think you can say we have survived depression.
It's an ongoing thing.
Okay, I'm getting better.
And the phuma kuyo vele.
Yes. We can only say that you're getting better, but ungasho ukuthi you have survived because lento biya nomnini mayithana bevele nje iqumbe phansi nje ucaca ukuthi ke I still have moments where I have anxiety like I just can't. I'm losing it ngibona so ke namhlanje hayi ufikile ke kumbhimi wenzathi uzolwa nami namhlanje and you have to find ways ukuthi uphume lapho. Well mina how do I fight depression and anxiety? Ngathini nje I spend time with myself and then go back to my art. In a way yazi ukuthi nganginalento ukuthi uma ngabe ngi-depressed I don't want to listen to my poems like depress even more. I don't want. In fact, I'm not even umuntu ulalela kakhulu poetry yakhe yabo. But then mangabuzwa abantu who have listened to your poetry and they're like yazi ukuthi remember when I listened to your poem Ithile I survived this and this and this and this. And then we're like, oh, okay, maybe there's something there. And then I listen to my poetry, and then I listen to art yabanye, and then I found some reasons why lang ikhona ngifike kanjani, and what makes me happy. Besides that, I eat ice cream as well because I love ice cream. But I just try to find something that I love kakhulu and do it. Meditate, listen to my favorite music, my poetry, and then and cook.
Yeah, ngoba vele nakho kuyadistress.
Ngiyangihila. There are times where I'm like, I'm not okay. I wanna mhlanje ngifuna ukupheka 7 colors. And it's some moments kanjalo angifica kabe ngingekho ekhaya. So I'm going to cook these 7 colors for who? Then I end up having friends who say, guys, ngicela ufike. Noma ngithi mawubuya umsebenzi ngicela ngizolanda ukudla okumnandi ngiphekele because I cooked and then I don't want to eat ukudla okungaka ngingedwa and I don't like cooking for myself. I love cooking for people. So I do those kind of things when I feel that type of way.
Ay ngoba abantu abaningi when it comes to lento ye depression and anxiety khona abantu abafuna ukuthi kube ngazuthi ibona ayifiki inhlobo kunabantu abayiphikayo nje straight uthi uyayiphika nje umuntu kanti phela awukwazi yabona whenever you gonna come up with something new funeka vele you must go into that phase
Kumele uyiface
because iyona la futhi uthola ukuthi even ngisho the greatest art ekhona in the world iqhamuka kulawo moment
exactly like the greatest piece engizwe umuntu athi yena I love that piece into engayibhala on the darkest you know yabo so kubalekile ukuthi from that uma ngabuza ukuthi uyayiface lento write about it or just do something about it. I even go and jog so ngiyojoga nje ngabo 7 ebusuku I go to ulwandle I'm just going to jog and I know I'm going to come back with something different you know
ngoba phela you must take yourself out yona yonke into hayi lento esho abantu uthi thuma udepressed isivalele endlini ulale yabo ngeke uzululama kumele unyakaze
and there's no one who's going to do it for you. You do that for yourself. Mangabe kuthiwa nje umuntu akusendela ama motivation ima-video ama motivation asendela yes mhlambe kuyasiza kwabanye kodwa the best strategy to overcome that sikweni
ukuthi kumele unyakaze
do something like
hayi so ke manje ngibonile ukuthi you were like nominated kwi Sebenza Women's Award lapha was it women in tourism.
How
was the experience?
It was oh man, it was out of this world because I didn't expect it. Kugona nje kube category women in tourism. It was a shock of my life. My friends could tell you I couldn't believe it. Like angaze ngayikholwa receive email. Nakhona I was calling ukuthi ngicheck ukuthi are you talking about me? Because I entered for a category. Nakhona futhi angakona ukuthi ngimisela ukuthi ngizoselect. It was just the thing of nje ukuthi amasebenza women awards ngiyawazi and ngiyathanda and makhulu and ngiyafisa and ngiyafisa nami ukuba ingxenye yawo and then when they said people should bafaka ama business profile wabo and all that I did that on another category. Now futhi nakhona ngangitshela ukuthi vele ngiyaphonsa nje because ngisemncane in business angakabe mkhulu kangaka ukuthi ngaze ngiselect. It was just the thing ukuthi ngifuna ukuba on their system so that maybe in some 2 years to come ngibe umuntu nami o-apply into yangampela. And then to the category engangi-applyele mase kukhishwa because they were saying ukuthi bazoba live on Facebook bese ba-announce ke abantu ke I attended low live loyo category engi-applyele ngangelize igama lami and I wasn't sad because ngisho ukuthi angangakona ukuthi ngiphonsa ngoba nokho ngiyimisela ungena khona ngangazi ukuthi I'm still young i-profile yami samele ikhule kakhulu ngenza izinto eziningi but then ngizwe igama lami Thembelihle Shezi but I didn't think it's me. Ngayizwa onye category yabo ngathiwa Thembelihle Shezi in a women in tourism babala amagama and then my name was there. I got shovalo but I'm like okay I need to come down because this is not me. Ngiyaphi ka tourism like angiyaphi ka tourism
mawupheka vele ngani vele that's a tourism space.
No it's a tourism space like per se because khona ama lokhuzana ama category akuthiwa hospitality kumele ngabe ngene lapho or anything like that. It's not tourism because tourism kangicabanganga nje ukuthi ngube ngenza lapho then explain later why bengifake lapho but then that time bekhipha lo category ngako ukuthi okay I'm sure there's that one Thembelihle Shezi ka tourism shemba kithi usiswami nayo ihlaniphele bandlo izamelayo bandla o nominated ka tourism uqondeni ukuthi amagama ayafana nesibongo I pass on and then qale kuvulwe ke indaba yokuvota abavota abantu and ngiyabafollow ku-page and all that. Then mase kusondela isikhathi sokuthi ke sekuzovala ukuvota and then they want to tell us ku-page ukuthi indawo abazohostela kona because they're celebrating 5 years. Basho ukuthi they got the ICC ukuze celebrate la khona awards and all. Then mase basho ukuthi sizosenda ama-email ke to all the nominees ukuthi afike ke for the event and khona ama-category angavotelwa vele khona votelwayo. Yonke lonto anginakile because mina I'm just following the page because ngisise ngiyalazi manje and I'm not nominated. Then I received the email. I'm like, why am I receiving an email? Thembelihle Shezi, you're invited khona ikhadi lapha ukuthi I'm invited as a nominee and can I list +1 yami ngisho ukuthi ngizofika yini. I still in my mind I'm like, this is not definitely baphambanisile I'm sure kumele basendele uThembelihle Shezi waka-tourism, not me. And then there's a number there kumele uyifonele ukuze ufone uma ngabe khona into ofuna ukuyazi and email ngareceive ebusuku but ngangakwazi ukufona. I had to wait till the morning. I couldn't sleep. Ngiyafona ekseni ke ngiyabuza ukuthi ngicela ukubuza ukuthi email yayingene ngephutha kanje. So why do you think emailing and ngephutha kwena? It's no, but because like I'm not into tourism and this is not me and I was not informed ukuthi futhi mina ngi-applyanga this category. Futhi nje I don't think this is me phambeni. Athi sisi no ngiya ku-meeting manje with the board yaka Sebenza, then I will let you know what's going on. They called me in a few hours and then usisi is like, this is you. Are you the owner of the Joy-arta? I'm like, yes. This is you. I'm like, what? Kanjani? Why am I in tourism and like yonke lento enzeka kanjani ukuthi ngize ngifike lo suku mina ngazi I'm nominated and then they're telling me ukuthi okay we're sorry ukuthi we asizange sikutshela ukuthi lento i-apply the category owengenelile wena we chose ukuthi singakufaki yona because sibona ukuthi into yenzayo you're cooking but you're not just cooking. This is initiative where you go to because I also have the Joy-arta school tours, the Joy-arta township tours where I talk to youth, I talk to abafundi ukuthi what happened when you don't get a job after graduating. Then I talk to abantu ukuthi use what you have. I mean I used ukuthi I have izandla and I love cooking and then now ngiyangiphilisa. So that those are one of the programs engwenzayo engwa included to my profile ukuthi I have the Joy-arta school tours blah 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 and I do that. And then they're like, this is why we said you belong to tourism because you don't just cook and a kitchen and that's it. You travel around, you talk to youth, you teach people about ukudla kwesintu and all that. I was like, I didn't see it that way. You know, so I was happy to be nominated and kwayimande ngiqala mina ngibe excited. Abantu kade baba excited kwayimande ngithi oh my gosh I'm nominated. So it was a greatest moment of my life and then mese ke ngisho nasekhaya kwamba ukuthi salungiselela ukuya kuma awards and then we were there. Unfortunately I didn't get the award and I understood because I'm nominated with the big guns and I was the youngest laphayana. Besides that abantu besifazana owawinayo nje futhi bonke abanginominatwe nami abantu akade babesebenza in tourism bona ke was specifically in tourism but I didn't get that award. I got what is I think what is more than award because I was listed like ngabizwa as one of 5 business women who are gonna receive an amount of money ngekwazi ukuyibiza ngegama an amount of money or voucher ezokwazi ukuthi ikhwelisa ama-business wabo. So next year ngizoqala leyo journey with yokuthi ke now ngiyakhulisela ibhizinisi lami ngendlela ezahlukahlukene. So it was the best moment of my life and I'm happy that I was with my dad and he experienced that.
Wafika nice.
Yes, he was my partner. I wouldn't have chosen anyone else.
Oh wena ufuna ukufika uphethe +1+1.
+1 is my dad. Okay, that's it.
Hayi bo phela awukeke. +1+1 hayi bo ilo seduze nawe.
My dad is eduze kwami.
Okay.
My parents, in fact, my tickets to ngizohamba with my mom and my dad, but my mom is not that type of a person othanda vibe njalo. And ngakusebusuku sazabuya ngo-1.
Yeah,
So
plus
yes, she's not that vibe nje izinto enjalo, but my dad he made it like best night ever.
Kodwa phela kuba kuhle futhi nakhona to bring our parents to such an experience because kwayena uthola ukuthi nalama worries anawe ekhanda ukuthi lento ngabe umuntu kanti because phela bayonokuyitshela mawuphusha ibhizinisi ngathi awusucceed.
Hayi manje sebakholelwa.
Fika bone na ukuthi lo muntu ngampela is pushing yabo.
Yes, because cabanga ukuthi kwangakona like abantu abadala phela bazi ukuthi okay I'm award la kodwa my dad wayena ukunderstand kancane ukuthi because uyamazi even ubhodukeni shantu so wayena lokho nje ukuthi I'm sure this is something big but mase efika lapha hayibo
uyabona
kusabathe hayiblona bengimbuka nje ngathi yabo ku TV ubani nobani and he was acting like that celebrity that man wengazi nje na is one of the wenza film ethile ngendlela nje oyeconnecta ngayo with the celebrities ngangithi ngihleli naye la tafuleni ngiyambona selapha kubantu bomkhokha sela ezifula kabangani bakhe. It was really nice, it was really amazing.
Ngoba phela kuhlezi ku experience right ukuthi ube amongst ngampela abantu because kuyakhombisa ukuthi shoot now you are there on the journey.
Yes,
as much as you can say ukuthi labantu bonomethi now ama big gun shoot now we big gun there. Leyo into suke kuyichaza lo because you wouldn't be among abantu vele abantu abangaboni ukuthi you belong khona.
Of course.
Ithina nje phela suke siyibuka yabona thi rate ukuthi
it was amazing akona ukuthi ngami nominate njengoba usho nje ukuthi it shows ukuthi now you are something big ukuthi ukukhona ukuba khona kwakho lapha because mina at this age at this time of business I didn't really think ukuthi sengaze ngibe umuntu oba ingxenye emasebenza women awards being nominated and even God abantu bazobekhetha abantu abazobaxhasa in business ngibe kulo list lapho. I didn't even think of all the things I have achieved kulo nyaka and in the business space. I've really never thought so ukakona ukuthi ngibe part of izinto ekanje it's God. It's God ngempela.
Hayi ngempela and it shows ukuthi hayi uma ukuthi uyaqhubeka ngempela nawe ubambelele sky is the limit.
Yabona and futhi I'm happy for such platforms a podcast ekanjeni ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukulandela ijeni yami bakwazi ukubona into eyenzakalayo ingazi mise nginama millions lapha sekuthiwa ngithwele yabo kanti
uyashesha ukuthi
kuthiwa ngithwele la
phela into umuntu emenza afile kangcono ukuthi yena waye engenayo lento ngezomthetho ngoba phela lento it's more like iweapon lento yokuthwala yabo ukuthi iyona ndlela nawe uzochaza ngayo make kwathiwa nje umuntu ade ufunda naye kuthiwa hawu nangu nje lapha uthwele yabo wonke umuntu understand
bazo understand because omunye umuntu ngisho omunye umuntu ongafika kuwena athi la ntombazane leyana ayingeke siphumelela kangaka ithwele bese uthi wena ngicela ku podcast yami uzoyibona uzobona ukuthi yaqala kuphi le ntombazane uzoyibona please.
Ngoba phela kuyaphandwa vele uphandwa awupheli umphando
uphela and if you keep the consistency yokuphanda yabonakala futhi umvuzo
and ama reward asazofika futhi kwakhona even kwabona osebenza mina I have no doubt ukuthi khona award osazobuya nayo khona
definitely
yabo yonke into iya motivate and i step lento vele ukuthi ufike ku10 funeka uqale ku1 yabo you can't just start from u10 because uzowa ngempela yabo just fall off.
Khuleka next year and other years futhi kuzobe sekubizwa thina
hayi khona vele phela ibhizinisi alikhulu because nabo nje wabe support should
bayabona ukuthi there's a potential
there's a potential and njengamanje we need more business people than anything. You feel like this is the kahlahlu government as much as singasho ukuthi uyena okumele enze something kodwa into engashintsha ngempela South Africa is to have more business people yabo because so kwazi sonke ukuthi sibe yiwo lama capitalists ehlezi sithi asiwafuni because akuthina yabo.
I've been saying something like that. I remember this other time I was invited to the school we career day So I was implementing that kind of idea ukuthi okay fine njengoba niqokile nabantwana la nonke kwi-career day nifaka izinto ezahlukahlukene ema-careers niwafunayo but then what will happen if uyayiva sithi you study for being a doctor and then afterwards awutholi umsebenzi? Do you have something in your mind? Do you have into ongayenza eseceleni ezokwazi ukungenisela imali? And they like bebengazi ukuthi bazothini. And then I told them my story ukuthi mina ngizokube I have a business lokupheka manje. I cook for ama event and ontoni, and because nami angizange ngizothola umsebenzi and then angenza something for myself. Then I asked them ambaloko ukuthi okay sengixoxeleleke mina istory sami ukuthi how ngifike kanjani kutheni ngibe nebusiness. Wena ke manje you want to start to be a doctor, what will happen to you if unguthola umsebenzi? Then baphakamisa izandla ke umunye uthi mina I want to be a doctor but ngiyakwazi ukucula mina athi umunye I want to be a social worker kodwa ekhaya ngihlaze ngithunga nami ngenza izinto ezenza ugogo, ngifuna ukuthi ngithunge impahla noma ngikhona ukuthunga izinto ezincane ngidayise. And then I love that ukuthi ngahamba sekukhona abantwana who have the second option
and wathothi izogcinisa i-first option at some point
njengoba nami sengathi first option njengamanje.
Ngoba phela siyabadinga ngempela because even nanawo umsebenzi ayikho government imisebenzi azozanayo yabo, ayikho masokhuluma iqiniso yilama companies ilama small companies ekuzomela akhule and provide imisebenzi
kubantu
yabo, ngoba nalamazwe angatha phambili iyona into wenza ukuthi ungaba phambili somthetho because they have more private companies yabo. Nje ko-America wonke umuntu uyakholelwa ekutheni shutha ngiyisebenze yabo, must be self-employed and yakhula leyo nto from self-employed ukuthi uqale manje uinvolve nabanye abantu kwinto yakho ijeni because phela makuhlangana imiqondo eminingi yonke into kahle it grows yabona, ayikho into engakhula
not uyakhula ke kanjalo yabo.
So ke manje ke according to wena ke nje mhlambe ungathi yini South African dream yabo? I like to ask this question nje kuma guest am because I really wanna know because it's something nami engakhulanga yabo, ngazi ukuthi okay this is the South African dream. Sikhula nje thina siyayidwanguzela nje ngesomthetho yabo. Manje nje in this age esesikuyona mhlawumbe ungathi yini ngokwakho nje South African dream?
South African dream that's tricky because that means ngicabangela South Africa yonke.
Asengisho nje ngokwakho nje umuntu phela usengarelate because wenza lento vele mhlawumbe that you doing noma ufuna ukuyibona naye mhlawumbe succeed in the space that you are. Yeah.
So you asking in a specific way ukuthi what I see myself as a South African ngizibona ngikuphi, or ubuza ukuthi South Africa ngiyibona ikuphi izoba kuphi in the near future?
Yeah, it's both.
It's both. Man, for mina personally ngifisa nje ukuthi as a South African ngibone ngikwazi ukuba ne-access to ama-countries amakhulu with the career yami or with the initiative yami because not something engifisa ukuthi iphelele la phela. I mean in fact angakapheleli even to other provinces or to other cities. Ngisa ukuthi ila eDurban and yabo, so ngifisela ukuthi initiative yami of ukuthi abantwana bazi ukuthi school is important but also go to school to have a bigger idea than just a paper. I wish to install the idea engifisa ukuthi ungabi into futhi engigcina la eDurban kuphela, engikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume emhlabeni wonke jikelele ukuthi abantwana bayazi abancane even i-youth ukuthi you can't just fold your arms usumsebenza ukho ngoba mina ngaqala ngo-popcorn ngabudayisa and then today ngisapusha and I'm going bigger and bigger. So that's my dream ukuthi ngikwazi ukuba nephimbo elanele noma elikhulu ukuthi likwazi ukukhuluma nawo bonke abantu abasa youth ukuthi to step up and do something for themselves. Umuntu angadependeli kuyifala abazali bakhe, angadependeli ukuthi okay I have a sister, I have a brother omdala ozongisiza. No, just step up for yourself uwedwa and that's how sizokwazi ukukhulisa umnotho wase South Africa because the reason why ungakhule because goqa izandla. Most of people they just falling, and mese kufika abantu bangaphandle bezo create imisebenzi kube sengazuthi like for example ngasekhaya kade ngikhona on the weekend on the street sangasekhaya awukho umuntu obeke into yikopana nje ogunda ikhanda ufuna ugunda ikhanda kade ubhuti wami ufuna ugunda ikhanda, we had to go to endaweni ephezulu noma emall, but the people abahlala ezitolo abangasebenzi othi mawuthengisa inkwa banqwaba la ubengelela bakubuke bonke they have nothing abayenzayo kodwa hayi ukuthi umuntu angakaze abe no 200 rand ukuthi athenga umshini ahamba avule something noma agundile igcekeni okwesikhashana, but there is a business then kuzofika umuntu walile ngaphandle afike asizovula into usiyashawa ke lapho, you know. So I ngifuna ukupreacha lokho nje because I believe ukuthi yonke into ilungiswa ngomlomo, yabo ukuthi ngipreacha lokho ukuthi like start something of your own, ozoyibiza ngento yakho. That's how we're going to grow umnotho wase South Africa. Yeah.
Ay ngoba ngempela phela we need that spirit yabona. Iyona nami into engihlezi because even mina kwayona i-podcast when I was initiative le podcast started from leyo concept ngesomthetho ukuthi we need more people manje yabona who's going to be conscious and make sure ukuthi baya lead, because to lead yabo you must understand ukuthi you are leading yabo, you can't just lead blind.
Exactly. Yes.
You can't just lead blind and thina asifuna ukwavisita lama topics ngesomthetho thola ukuthi iwona lawa serious, we would rather hide behind ama memes yabona nje siyahlekisa lokho uthi ikhona ngempela that we like seriously need to talk about akwenzeki amanje ngisho emakhaya kwakungenile amaPakistani ngisho emakhaya azodla ngisho kwayona imihlaba yethu manje because mayifika kuvula isitolo lapha simnika yonke imali enze noma yini ayithandayo yabo asucceed yabo
adlule thina futhi kanti unomhlaba wena ngakini ongakwazi ukuthi ugenerate ukwenzela imali yabo,
and izinto ezincane futhi ayibizi futhi izinto that can like actually change your life as much as abantu they think ukuthi to start a business you dingo 20,000 30,000. That's not the case ngesomthetho yabo. Uqala business sometimes it doesn't even cost you 200 rand.
Nothing actually. I have people on my Facebook and Instagram abake ba inbox umuntu ngingasababaleki laba bangicela imali ngicatha sengimali laba umuntu wathi ngifuna uqala ibusiness ngicela ngipha no 500 rand nje ngicela ibusiness ngithi mina lalela uzoqala mase ufuna uqala yezo ungenawo lo 500 lo mali lo ifunayo awuyidingi ukuze uqala ibusiness, and people don't understand lokho ukuthi usho kanjani ukuthi you don't need money to start business mase ufuna ukuqala uzoqala
because should vele uma lisadinga imali engaka ukuthi uqale should it's not your type of business vele ukuthi ukulona vele in the first place.
Exactly. You are actually lucky ke uma ngabe une income mo sebenza somewhere uyazi ukuthi okay uyahola lapho, you can even make a choice ukuthi okay kule nyanga lengagcina emsebenzini le mali ngiholile noma sithi incane kanjani I'm starting a business, but uma ukuthi awuna income at all ngangisekhaya ngihleli ekhaya ngingena lutho when I started you know.
And I vela kuhlezi ngesomthetho kuhlezi. So ke manje ke back to i-art ke manje singayikhulisa kanjani i-art space, because la eThekwini sisi behind kakhulu when it comes to Joburg yabo, in terms of khona nje sithi nje production nje music yonke into poetry. Yes. We are very behind. Uma ubheka mhlambe singayikhulisa kanjani leso space mhlambe la eThekwini to make sure ukuthi phela nathi siya compete, because we already have talent ngesomthetho.
We have talent elikhulu. In fact yazi ukuthi mangabe abantu abasuka la eDurban mabe goal le talent elapha eGoli ilona leli suka la eDurban.
Yeah, that's true.
We're so talented.
Yeah.
I wish kodwa singaba more digital. I think into yenza ukuthi eJoburg noma kwezinye indawo bathi ukuba fast than us, because thina sinengqondo yobukhaya nje ukuthi hayi ngifuna ukuma phambi kwabantu ngisho ngenze no you can't do that. Yes, but njengamanje sekuma umhlaba manje yonke into i-digital. Use your phone ukuthi ifone yakho yazi ukuthi ngathi usemafini ma uvidoriza ngayo noma ayikho clear whatever wazi ukuthi that video zoyenza lo voice ozoyikhipha izonzo umehlo komnganani. Do something, use that phone, like be digital. Imisebenzi abantu asiyithole mangabe because abantu besikhathini nge spend their time on their phones, on their laptops, on the internet kahle kahle. So if wena uthi you want to ukuthi ube relevant as an artist but you're not into kulezi yes isikhathi ngenzeka ukuthi suke singashayi ukuthi umuntu athi ngiyafaka ama video ngiyawenza in kodwa isikhathi suke singashayi kodwa isikhathi sifike you already prepared with a lot of things already and already usuyenzile indlela yokuthi uhamba kuphi so if uzoqoqa izandla ungakwazi ukuthi uyifake out there we just need to be out there make people like bangisicefe
ngaphela sitshela sina kubuye kube nama event athotha dope kodwa ayirecordiwe
yabo
performance akade lapha watholakala
kandawo which is not okay ngempela like keep yourself relevant go to uma events usho kuthiwa ke awuliyo perform ya lapho to network with people lapho uxoxa nabantu and exchange ani number bengabe umuntu en event ungaloku uzufuna imali enkulu noma ufuna imali uma ngabe wazi ukuthi okay this is going to work out for me go there angisho ukuthi uvumela uexplore as an artist kodwa mekhona indawo la ubona khona ukuthi I don't need to ukuthi ngize demand imali la ngize ngibe khona I've went to indawo eziningi ezinkulu ezinabantu aba highly profiled kodwa ngakhokolanga lapho because I just want to network with those people and ngiyazi ukuthi kuzongimultiplyela more of izinto engifuna lapho yeah so people should just be active stay relevant to ama digital umsebenzi wakho awutholakala asingakufoni kanti ukhona nje yabo
uyabona nje ukuthi ngisho nje busho nawe ukuthi even nane kish lakhe it's not just a normal kish yabo thathilwa lufa online khona umuntu manje uthothi ufuna ukusucceeda kodwa into yakhe ayikho nhlobo
ayikho nhlobo and omunye umuntu angazasho ukuthi because I did get ilokhuzani ama negative comments because uma monza lezi zinto lezi and out there kuma socials uyathola abantu abazoba negative umunye washo kumuntu ongaziyo ukuthi ayithembelihle usengaza post usengaze nje abe nema page ku Instagram ko Facebook ngazi uyapheka phela hayi uyapheka yena kodwa ukuthi phela ngazi ukuthi uyapheka uchef you know so and then that person uthola ukuthi okay yena fine uyapheka ke kuntswepho ke kodwa what are you doing with that what are you doing yini mina I do what I love and people pay for me to do it and then when you have something negative to say what are you doing with that because when I kuyasho ukuthi okay as I shoot nje ukudla I shoot rice ne beef afake lapha ku Instagram and nazo ithombe nje akuzona nje mhlambe ithombe eshuthe nge-iPhone une iPhone wena what are you doing with your iPhone because I don't have an iPhone okay phone yami as much as ithombe zaba clear kodwa zibe clear as iPhone but I am keeping it up and when njengamanje you have an iPhone what are you doing besides taking pictures of yourself
and yobe sekukhomba ngisho sikhona sethi
how you know
wena kuzothweleka
yes because the iPhone is not something ukuba nezithombe ezinhle noma ukuba ne phone right it's not even something a like a dream it's something that could have anytime if one enhle into engizoba nayo anytime soon so if uzothi wena you don't understand why am I going big with my business because of like I don't have the perfect resources you are really being crazy to yourself even because you don't know my vision
and it's always someone below wena futhi ogcikayo ngesomthetho akwenzeki kube umuntu uze at the top
exactly because people who are at the top I remember I was attending a cooking with Zanele book launch like last week and that person is a chef or highly profiled and when I was talking with her akabanga umuntu ophakeme waba umuntu o very humble and okhuluma izinto ezinkhulisile kakhulu then I understood ukuthi people who say negative things abantu are just like
vele basoje befuna ukudrega
down then mase khona umuntu omngaka who told me ukuthi you got something special and you are going far just hang in there just do it just keep on doing it uzobona sesingazi ukuthi manje uyaphupha so yeah you just have to go with positive things.
I know thank you so much yabo for coming through so manje umuntu ke mhlambe manje ofuna ukucontacta angakuthola kuphi mhlawumbe simupha ama socials yeah we engakwazi ukuthi abone nanomsebenzi wakho?
Well, kuyilokhuzane ku Facebook personal page Thembelihle Shezi, Instagram personal page Thembelihle Madlaba, then business page ku Facebook that Joy-arta, and then go Instagram that Joy_arta. Yeah.
Okay, I know abantu abenze sure ukuthi ke bayakubheka bakubhuke futhi
Bangibhukhe,
nasendaweni yabona abantu bangadli ungekho yabona.
Ningalambi ngikhona eThekwini.
Yeah, so ke manje ke kunomuntu ke mhlawumbe lapha emakhaya mhlawumbe ongazi ke naye ukuthi aqale kuphi noma aqale enzeni, usafuna mhlawumbe nawe ukuzithola ngisho ukuzithola, mhlawumbe yipi advice ongayinika umuntu njengaleyo mhlawumbe ukuthi akaqale naye anyakaze ukuze izinto imove?
Yo, ngithi nje mina qala. Yo, qala ayikho nje into engizoyisho ngaphezulu kwalokho. Qala masune show, masuwazi usufunani uzoqala. Angeke ngize ngikwazi ngithi mina hambe uyofunda ivesi bani, kanje uculela iphuculo hambe enkonzweni yonikela ngamalini, angeke ngize ngikwazi ukusho yonke lonto ngoba it didn't work out for me. Mhlambe it could work out for you, but into engazahle ukuthi it's been working for a lot of business people. You just have to start. You just have to start.
I got plus there, that's the key.
That's the key.
Yeah, that's the key.
The rest ke uzobona sengathi umlingo ke.
Hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu nje ukuthi usivakashele. I've had a great time. Uyabona yabo sikhuluma ngezinto eziningi ngezomthetho. That you need to like ukuthi siyispark vele kubantu vele in the brain because siyadinga ukuthi abantu ngempela abaphaphame yabo.
Yeah, siyadinga ngempela. Sabonga kakhulu, sabonga.
Hayi ngiyabonga. Nawe mbukeli uma ukuthi ubusabukile nje kuze kube la, make sure ukuthi subscribe umfollow with Thembelihle kuona wonke ama platforms, ufollowishe ne company yakhe, abantu mawukunje uyamdinga kuma services lawa wenzayo mbhuke ama production companies nakhona ya actwa vele yabo nje, so nje la ubona khona ukuthi angakwazi ukuthi kusebenze yabona, enza sure ukuthi uyamcontacta lumkile izinyanga. I'm signing out, thank you.